These are always a popular model here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2002 Ford Thunderbird Convertible. Soft top and hard top car. We'll get to that in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 3.9 liter 32 valve V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Heater blows hot. Let's take a look at this front fascia and grille. Thunderbird Blue is the color of this car. Actual mile car, 56,319 miles on it at the moment. 2 owners. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down, car from every angle. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding in a good looking chrome Thunderbird wheel. Correct wheels for this car. Radial tires, Goodyear Assurance. Radials, and those are date coded 2021, so those are in good shape. You'll be able to see the tread pattern close up in the still pictures if you want to look at the depth of that. Close-ups of those chrome wheels in all 4 corners. And you can see up and down this passenger side really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Paint shows well, has a nice shine. And we have the 2-tone coordinated interior. Kind of the dark charcoal and teal, or Thunderbird blue if you will. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I'm going to show you the top going up and down. We'll get that hard top on it, check that all out. So stick around to the end of the video if you want to see any of that. And at the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. You can see the convertible top cover in, fits well. A few items that are going to go with this. This is one of those buy one, get one free, although it isn't quite the same scale. We will send Mini-Me with some miscellaneous things you want for it in that folder. Then there is a car cover and the collapsible hardtop rack with wheels. And here's the hardtop. And no, that rack is not going with. That will stay with me for future display purposes. And like I said, we'll get that on in a bit. Check out the condition of it, see how it fits. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see still pictures of both tops. A couple notes from the technician on this one, not much, that the car drove out very well. No shakes, brakes straight as it should. Front brakes are 70%, rear brakes are 80%. That's really about it, besides the date on the tires, which I already told you are 2021. If you like Thunderbirds, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can also see, driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. And check out the door panels. Of course, your modern amenities where you're going to have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, actually power seat, both sides on this one. Seat's looking good. They really did it right, harkening back to the original Thunderbirds when they came out with this retro style in 2002. Steering wheel controls, does have the 6 CD changer in the dash. Of course, electronic dual climate control, tilt column. Tilt and telescopic column on these, actually it'd be power. And got the key in my pocket. Let's fire this up. All right, so stereo working. And there's your exact miles, 56,319. Top of the dash, looking good. Again, here's that electronic dual climate control and power top. By the way, no service engine soon lights, check engine lights, anything like that, just the seatbelt warning. And then if I open up the door, it's going to tell me door ajar. Nothing crazy over the top with the exhaust. Sounds as you would expect. And again, 3.9 liter V8, 32 valve engine. All right, first thing, check out that hood liner. You can see this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. That's extremely clean, as well as the engine bay. These are definitely fun summer cars. A lot of bang for the buck. Have a little top down, wind in the hair, summer experience with these. And plenty of power too. It's not a huge car, V8. Best of all, automatic transmission, the nicely equipped AC blowing cold. All right, there's the engine bay. I tell you what, let me get the tripod set up and we'll check out the function of this convertible top as far as the soft top and see how that looks. And the power top up. As you can see, functions as it should. Roll the side glass up. Nice fit there. This would be black fabric. Doesn't appear the top's probably been up a whole lot in this car. Glass, of course, rear window. Electric defog. No rips, tears, holes. Doesn't really show much wear at all. And side glass, passenger side, nice fit. Back above the windshield. And there's the soft top. All right, one left to go. I'll put that back down and we'll get the hard top on. See how that fits and check out the condition of that. Stick around. And last but not least, the hard top in place, side glass rolled up, nice fit there, and complete with porthole, of course. There was a couple little touch-up spots. I don't know if you can hardly see them. Pretty minor. So white top, contrasting the Thunderbird blue, glass rear window, electric rear defog, just like on the convertible top, soft top. Otherwise, no major nicks, dings, scratches, a little touch up on one side. Side glass fits well over here on the passenger side. There you go, 2002 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Soft top, hard top combination, 2-owner vehicle. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. Check out that teal color. Now that's a teal color throwback to the 50s color that was very similar. Even the interior being two-tone with black and teal, or white and teal, is a throwback to that car. Very good acceleration in this Thunderbird. Nice smooth shifting from the automatic transmission, which is shifted right here on the center console. All your modern amenities from 2002 and ease of driving with some subtle styling cues that look like the 50s. The first Thunderbirds. A hardtop convertible. We do have the top up today. Nice low miles on this car, less than 60,000 currently on this Thunderbird. White face cages with a needle that matches the paint job on this car, that teal color. Temperature is halfway up the gauge. The fuel is showing a full tank. Speedometer and tachometer working, stereo working. Brakes nice and smooth. Everything's nice and smooth in this car. It has been well maintained. Seats do show a little bit of wear. That is leather. Nice cornering. Quiet ride in this car. Find all the pictures of this 2002 Thunderbird at uniqueclassiccars.com.